Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so to create a backup of our data, we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down a little until we find backup or copy data. Simply click on that and now select backup data. Now we have a possibility to create a backup using the Google one. It will be stored in the cloud. So in here we can see a backup details, what will be copied. Now you also need to remember on which Google account you are making a backup, because it doesn't show where. To find out, open up the settings, go right in here into the top, and in here we have our Google account that we are currently logged into, and on that Google account our backup will be saved and stored. So simply don't forget the account on which you are making the backup, because if you would like to restore that backup in the future, you will need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Okay, so now we can go back into backup or copy data, select backup data and click on this green button. Now the process will start, and now we need to simply wait until it's finished. I'll see you once it's done. Okay, and now our backup has been successfully done, and that's basically all that we had to do. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.